Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Mediterranean interior design conjures visions of sun-drenched landscapes, azure coastlines, and a rich tapestry of cultural influences. Rooted in the coastal regions of southern Europe, this design style embodies a harmonious fusion of rustic charm, vibrant colors, and timeless elegance. Drawing inspiration from the Mediterranean way of life, the interiors reflect a warm and inviting ambience, seamlessly blending tradition with a relaxed, contemporary sensibility. Color palettes in Mediterranean interiors mirror the region's natural beauty. Earthy tones dominate, with hues of terracotta, sandy beige, and warm browns creating a backdrop reminiscent of sun-soaked landscapes. Accents of azure blue, vibrant yellows, and rich greens evoke the colors of the sea, sky, and lush vegetation. This palette not only enhances the sense of warmth but also establishes a connection to the Mediterranean's captivating surroundings. Materials play a pivotal role in Mediterranean interior design, emphasizing a connection to nature. Unfinished or weathered wood, often showcased in exposed ceiling beams or furniture, adds a rustic touch. Terracotta tiles underfoot, whether on floors or as decorative elements, bring the warmth of Mediterranean clay into the interior. Architectural elements contribute significantly to the Mediterranean interior style. Arches, both structural and decorative, echo the region's historical influences, while vaulted ceilings and exposed wooden beams create a sense of spaciousness. Large windows and French doors not only allow ample natural light but also seamlessly connect interiors with outdoor spaces, blurring the distinction between inside and outside. Lighting in Mediterranean interiors is designed to enhance the warm and inviting atmosphere. Intricately crafted pendant lights or wrought iron chandeliers often take center stage, casting a warm and romantic glow. Floor and table lamps with ceramic or mosaic bases add a touch of artistic flair, contributing to the overall character of the space. Textiles and patterns in Mediterranean interiors embrace a mix of traditional and vibrant motifs. Terracotta-colored rugs with geometric patterns, reminiscent of Mediterranean tiles, ground the space. Textured throws and cushions in rich, warm colors add layers of comfort, while curtains or drapes in light, airy fabrics allow the Mediterranean sunlight to filter through. Through a thoughtful blend of colors, materials, and architectural elements, Mediterranean interiors invite inhabitants to experience the beauty and tranquility of the Mediterranean way of life within the comfort of their own homes.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!